In this part, we are going to extract the input form and also the list item to components. So we go to the source folder and create a new folder called components. And then under this folder, we create two files. One is app to dos, and the others is to do. And then we type RAFCE, and then we back to the app.js, and we are going to search the form, and then we copy this and paste to the add-to-dos.js. Now we back to the app.js, and at here we paste add-to-dos and save it. Now if we refresh the page, we can see there is nothing errors. There's no errors, but there is an error that is about the unique key, and this is related to the items, and we will fix this later. And now we are going to copy this. We cut this out, and then we go to the todo.js and type RAFCE, and then we paste this at here. And now we do not have the moment, so we have to import the moment from moment. And also we do not have the date, and we will pass this from the props. So we go to here and pass the title, date, and also the detail. And now we do not have this. We change this to title, the date, and also the detail. And now we go to the app.js and we go to get the to-do items. Now we have the title is equal to todo.title, and then we duplicate 2 times, and then we change this to detail and also the date. And now since we do not use this package at this file, we can remove this and save it. And we also have to add the key is equal to the todo.id and save it. Now if we refresh the page, we can see the website work properly and there are no errors here.